Hey Charmers! El dúo dinámico por acá.
Hi!
And today we're gonna be doing a blindfolded shopping at Pop-Up Edition.
God be with me.
I know. She's gonna be actually closing her eyes and I'm gonna be helping her choose products from Pop-Up that
Yes.
you won't really know what we're gonna be shopping.
Yes.
But I think we're gonna get a good assortment of products, something good for you to do at least.
I hope so.
Something.
And let's just hold Johnny accountable. If this doesn't turn out good, it's his fault.
Yes, it is.
Yes.
So Charmers, if you don't know what Pop-Up is a mega sale event that we do online where we include the best of the best that we had in the box in the past, plus a bunch of amazing products that are exclusive to our Pop-Up sales. And these are super heavily discounted. And we have products of makeup, skincare, bath and body, wellness, home, face, eyes, lips, face, everything. Pa, 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 pa. Everything that you need and in amazing prices, honestly.
Yeah. And it's exclusive to our charmers too.
Yes. So make sure to sign up to Boxycharm so you can get access to these exclusive sales because they're sickening.
Popping.
So, are you ready to start this, Arlene?
No.
Let's do this! So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna jump in with my computer right here. I'm gonna shop on the Pop-Up website and we're gonna screen record everything, but she's not gonna see until I put the products in front of her.
Unfortunately.
Yes. So let's shop. Well, you need to cover
Perfect.
your eyes.
Oh God. Please be nice.
Okay, here we go.
Oh God.
So I was thinking we should do by categories because we have all of the Pop-Up categories. Like you all know, we have makeup, skincare, hair, bath and body, tools, blah 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 boo. Let's just go with makeup, right?
I can't right now.
So first we're gonna do scroll swiping motion. Give me your hand. Okay. Just like that. Right? No, up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay. But hold up. We're gonna do it and go.
Oh God.
Okay, stop. Okay. We got some products,
Okay.
I think. Now, there's 4 products in front of you. Do you want the first one, the second one, the third one, or the fourth one?
Oh God. Can I get a hint or something?
Oh, yeah, sure. Okay, so the first one is a highlighter,
Okay.
a blush, and something for the lips.
Oh God. Okay, so you said shimmery was the first
Yeah, there's
one?
the shimmery. I don't know if it's the first one or the second one.
Oh
But
God.
we got a shimmery, we got orangey.
You know what? Give me
1, 2, 3, 4.
give me the shimmery thing.
Okay.
Whatever that
perfect.
is.
Shimmery thing.
I'm
Adding into
scared.
the car.
I really hope it's not a primer because a shimmery primer. Oh God. Oh God. I'm scared.
Ooh, there's 2 options from that shimmery thing.
Oh.
I'm gonna pick one for you. This is cute shimmery.
Okay.
Okay, we go back to Pop-Up. Let's see. Let's scroll. I'm gonna start scrolling and you tell me when to stop. Okay?
Stop!
Oh, okay. That was fast. So we have 4 products again. We have Violet Boss
Ooh.
something,
Oh.
and then we have a Touch and Soul something,
Okay.
and then there's 2 other things. 1, 2, 3, 4.
The three.
Perfect.
Yes.
That's a good one.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. I think you like that. I think you will like
Okay.
that. Okay. We're gonna scroll one more time.
Okay.
And whenever you're ready,
Are you scrolling right now?
I am
Oh,
scrolling.
then just stop, okay.
Oh, okay, stop.
I mean, you were scrolling, right?
I'm scrolling.
Okay.
Should I continue?
No, just whatever.
Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, stop there.
Okay.
Okay. So now we have for this,
Okay.
we have a little tube,
A what?
a white tube,
Toothpaste?
maybe.
Ah.
I don't know. Then we have a little round milk thing. Then we have another round Becca, and then one Cosas product at the end. 1, 2, 3,
I love your
4.
descriptions. They're so helpful. Seriously, thank you. I really appreciate it. Not the first one because that sounds like toothpaste.
Yeah,
So
maybe.
not that one. You said, you know what? Give me the milk, whatever milk.
Okay. Ooh, this is.
I mean-
this is going bad. So I'm scrolling. 3, 2. You tell me now.
Stop. Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. Okay. This is a hard one.
Oh,
So-
great. Fantastic. Thank you.
I'm gonna give you the brands again, Because I feel like, honestly, we have really good brands in here, but we have different products from different brands, so you won't really know what product it is.
Okay.
So first, we have a Benefit product.
Okay.
Then we have a MAC product. We also have a Lashaholic product. And then a Tarte product.
Tarte?
Tarte. Perfect. That's a good one.
Okay.
No, it's a good one. It's a good one.
Okay.
And I'm scrolling. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay, so now we have options. A lot of options in here.
Okay.
We have one from Hank and Henry that is actually really cheap. I'm surprised about the prices in pop-up. They're incredible. We have 2 products from Zoella, and we have 1 Violet Boss product.
Give me Violet Boss.
Violet Boss. Adding to the cart. When we come back, Charmers, you're gonna see Darlene with all of the products that she randomly selected to do a full look. Are you ready, Darlene?
No, I'm not.
Okay, you shouldn't, because this is gonna be amazing.
Ah!
We'll be right back, Charmers.
Okay, Charmers, so this was interesting. Let's just get started and hopefully it goes well. The first thing I'm gonna use is the Hank and Henry. This is their beauty sponge. Mine is already damped, and I'm just gonna use it for my base application. I actually like the size of it. Like, it takes a lot of space of my face, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna finish off my application. I'm gonna put on my concealer and set my face with powder, and I will be right back for the rest of the products. Should be interesting. Perfect. So now that we have our face somewhat advanced or progressed, I'm gonna use this product. It's an interesting one. This is by Milk Makeup. It's called Blur and Set Matte Loose Setting Powder. The shade, however, I'm pretty sure this is amazing because I actually really like this brand, but the shade is too dark for me. This is Translucent Deep. So since I can't really set my face with this, I am going to attempt to use this as my bronzer situation kind of thing. I'm not really sure how well it's gonna turn out, but it's actually kind of cute. I mean, it makes sense to use a darker shade if you would like to give some warmth to your face. Okay, so the next product is the Violet Voss Essentials palette. I am so relieved that I chose this because I really do like this palette. I think I'm probably going to use the purple shade on my lid along with the lipstick that we chose from Ciate, because let me tell you, sweetie, that color is intense. So I'm probably gonna use it on my eyes, but we'll get to that in a little bit. So again, I'm just taking the shade Sand and I'm using that on my crease. I'm not going to try to go too crazy with this. Now I'm going to use the shade Cinnamon, and I'm basically applying it on the same area that I used that first shade Sand. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm gonna use my next product, which is a lipstick. This is the Ciate London Glitter Storm lipstick. I have the shade Cosmic. Let me show you. It's very purple. This is typically not a color that I would wear on my lips. So since we already have it and we chose it, I'm gonna use this as a base on my eyes. So basically, I'm gonna pop it on my lid, and this is going to serve as my base for the purple color I'm gonna use from the Violet Voss palette. I mean, let me tell you something. If you want that more editorial vibe, it's a glossy lid, sweetie. This is cute. You know, just apply some lashes, mascara, and you're good to go. But again, I said that I was gonna use it as a base for my purple, which is, what is it called? Plum Berry. So let's just layer it. I like it. I like it. It's cute. And this is something that you can actually do. It's a kind of like a tip and trick kind of thing. If you ever want to do an eyeshadow look and you perhaps don't have a base that is going to intensify that eyeshadow color, you can always wear lipstick. Just make sure that it's safe for your eyes. I don't have a highlighter, so I'm gonna use the shade Cream from my Violet Voss palette, very lightly because it is kind of more silvery almost. So I'm just going to very lightly dust a little bit of that on my cheeks as my highlighter. Okay, so the next product is a blush palette. This is by OPB Beauty. This is Born to Shine, and it's beautiful. Okay, so for this look, I feel like this shade right here, which is called Smile, I might even mix it a little bit with Positive. I'm just gonna take a little bit because you never know. Yeah, she's very pigmented. Okay, and the last product that I have is by Milk Makeup, and it is a Kush Lip Glaze in the shade Rose Bud. Okay, so it looks very thick. And even though it has some color to it, it feels very cool on the lips, which is very nice and refreshing, especially if you have drier lips like I do. Okay, so to finish off our creation, I'm gonna use the Tarte Cosmetics Maracuja Miracle Mist. We actually had this product in our October base in one of the variations, and I actually really like it. It smells divine, and the mist is like so soft and magical. All right, Charmers, and this is the final look. I feel very positive about it. This was fun. Not gonna lie, I was very scared at the beginning, but I feel like we made it work. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed all of these products. Again, you can find these in our pop-up. It's amazing, plus a lot more. This is just a little bit of all the things that you can find there. Of course, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!